Hey guys, it's me Monie, and today we're making vegan pizza. As always, this is not a tutorial, this will just be me making it, and I'll actually have the recipe in the description this time. So if you guys want to see that, then let's get started. Okay y'all, so I have my laptop over here so we can get this started. Okay y'all, so I do have the oven already on 400, and the first thing it's saying over here is the 2.5 cups of flour. So let me get this second camera on and let's get it started. This is a lot of flour, y'all. So after that, we need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Oh god, it's like literally splashing all over me. Splashing? Hello? Just puffing on me. I did make this before on Discord with my brother. Okay. And I forgot to mix the dry ingredients together. I think I just left them like this and add the wet ingredients, and very tragic if I do say so myself. So teaspoon of salt, but the salt we're going to be using is this salt right here. I'm going to be using this one right here, which is garlic and rosemary. Yeah, because when I made it with just regular salt, because the recipe is literally just salt for your crust. That shit was, it needs flavor, y'all. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Salt is not enough. I don't know whoever told y'all salt was enough. It's not. You need more than salt for flavor. Hopefully that wasn't too much, because it said it you needed 1 teaspoon of salt, but we need more seasoning than that. Okay, let me mix this up first before I go into trying to put in the, oh my gosh, the wet ingredients. Three-fourth cup, so it's 3 of these 1/4 cups, y'all. Okay, and then now it's 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Told y'all, it's quick, straight to the point. We ain't playing no games right here. I've learned my lesson from that Christmas cookie, and I've really been working on not over pouring nothing so I don't fuck up the recipe. I don't know if I remember it being this oh yeah, it did. Y'all ain't see it. You might have seen it on the camera, but let me just give y'all a little jump. It's all over my little cute nightie. Yo, that was so quick, y'all. See? Dough already going. It is looking a little dry. Hopefully I put enough of that seasoning in, because I cannot put dry ass flavorless dough. It's not for me, y'all. The red light's literally right in my eyeballs. I'm wearing my glasses, so sorry about that, y'all. Okay, we're just gonna doodle up in it. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm sweating. Dang, my muscle popping a little bit. I mean, my muscle. This is my pizza pan that I'm going to be using. It's dirty as fuck, but I do not care. Boom. so y'all can really see how dirty it is. I'm gonna get some of this Crisco spray, even though she already looks greasy as hell, like she's already been greased down. This is how I did it last time when I made it. I just really, this seems like more dough than I had last time actually. But I definitely started with one side and then moved it towards the other side, but this time I'm gonna just try putting it in the middle and then moving it like that instead of putting it to one side and trying to stretch it. Because last time I did that, I kind of made some holes in it. The method I did when I made this was the knuckle method. I don't know if that's actually a method or not. That's just the method that I just made it up, okay? But that's what I call the knuckle method. Unless it's already a method, then okay, y'all. I'm cracking my knuckles into that though. Okay. Last time I was able to get it to be all the way to the sides. Well, I don't even know, y'all can't see this. All the way to the sides. So that's what my goal is this time, is to get it, make sure it's all the way to the side. Because that's, I want a nice large pizza. Oh my gosh. And every time I made like a hole like that, all I did was just cover it with another piece of dough like that, boom, and it's gone. No, my hands are like not dirty before y'all try to say that about my nails. If you watch my vlog, I'll tell you what happened, but my nail is bruised as fuck underneath. That's not even bruised, it's just dried blood underneath my real nail. I'm really just trying to get back into making YouTube videos because y'all know I've been in this shit for a minute. Like, it's not like I just randomly recently started making, nah, like I've been in this, y'all could see I've been doing this shit for years. And I used to at one point take it real serious, like my tongue ring and like my piercing videos and stuff like that. So I'm definitely trying to get back at that. Shit looks thin as hell. I promise you it wasn't this thin last time I made it, but I guess it's not always gonna be the same every time you make it. Now I'm trying to just push the sides up. Oh, oven's ready. I'm just trying to push it up against the sides so I could have a crust to my pizza instead of it being just flat as hell. Okay, now I'm just gonna use my knuckle and just make like an obvious thingamajiggy indentation, I guess you could say, around it. This is what we got. So at this point, I'm gonna go grab all the condiments or whatever that I'm gonna put on here, and then we're gonna put it on. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. Right here I have some garlic butter with like herbs and stuff like that in it. Then I have some plant-based pesto. Oh, there's also minced garlic in there too. Plant-based pesto. I really don't want to use this part of the camera because it's having trouble focusing. But roasted tomato or dried tomato, and then just some roasted garlic and herb. I don't really like red sauce, but whatever. Garlic. I don't know if y'all have had white pizza, but I'm from New York and we have white pizza out there. And that shit is so good. It's pretty much just like garlic pizza. I grew up on that. So I'll always choose garlic pizza over red pizza every time. If y'all don't know what that is, then
damn. R.I.P.
Oh, I forgot to grab the cheese.
Vegan cheese.
This look good just like this. Honestly, I kind of want to say fuck the red sauce. And I'm trying to leave the crust untouched so I can get some to baby boy. Let's put just a little bit of the red pesto on there. Just gonna do a little bit of this because I really don't like red sauce. Okay, I feel like it's kind of not enough sauce, but then again, I've never worked in a pizzeria ever a day in my life, so fuck it. Vegan chi-chi. We finna be generous with this hoe because I'm Italian, y'all. Y'all know I love my cheese, real or not. It's not bad for not being real cheese, y'all. I could put some sliced cheese on it too, but the sliced cheese don't really like melt. You get what I'm saying? So it's like put that one in there because every little piece of vegan cheese counts. We're gonna put her in the oven and I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so let's cut this. Okay, we're just okay. My little black and gold knife. Okay, so here we go. It honestly just looks like a pizza that, am I even cutting it evenly? Can someone let me know? Something's telling me this is not even cut. Send help. But it looks like a frozen pizza. Send help! Why did I think that was in the middle? R.I.P. I don't know why it looks like there's meat on this, but I promise you there's not. Okay, let's just try this bitch. Let's try this little piece right here. First of all, hello. I'm not gonna see how that smells. I definitely need like more sauce or something. So this rice a little bit. Very bready. I need a fuck ton more sauce. I thought I put too much. The bread is not, this is the back looks like. Looks like there's any seasoning on it. I would definitely add more sauce. I'll water that. Bread is fuck. And I rolled it out. No, I didn't roll it out. Punched it out pretty thin. Not bad for a vegan pizza. Because at a store, the vegan pizza is like over $10 something. Over 10 something dollars. Hello. Try eating the pizza like this. Say this. It tastes better when you eat it upside down. For more of the flavors in your tongue.
The flavors are melting on my
Taste that instead of refresh. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and comment below if you try it and let me know what y'all think about the vegan pizza. The recipe is only for the dough, but I mean it's about whatever toppings you put on it. This is trying to be vegan because I made sure to put vegan stuff on it. Yeah. Hope to see y'all later. Mind out. Stay real.
This is the time.
We'll be right back. I'll be right back. And I gotta somehow edit this tonight. Send prayers, send prayers, send prayers.